How to create account in Ghibliart.ai. Alright, so you are ready to dive into the awesome world of Ghibli style art generation with Ghibli.ai, right? First things first, you'll need an account. Don't worry, it's super quick and easy. Let's walk through it together. The step 1 is open any browser that you like. Here I'm using Chrome over here. Tap on it, tap on search bar over here and search for Ghibliart.ai. You can see it over here. Tap on it. Then you will see this type of results, and the first result is the one that we have been searching for. Tap on it. Then after you're inside, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on sign in, which is in top right corner. Tap on it. And then you will see several options over here. You can either use a Google to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, what you have to do is simply tap on sign up over here. Tap on it. Then you will be given a form where you have to fill up your email, verification code and a password. Let's keep my email over here. Then tap on get code. Once you get your code, simply go to your email address and type it your verification code over here. Once done, create your password. Enter your password and confirm your password. Simply tap on sign up over here. Tap on it. Ta-da! You have successfully created your account in Ghibliart.ai. Easy peasy, right? You should be all signed up and ready to start making amazing Ghibli inspiration art. Go explore and have fun creating. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.